Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Now let's look at natural gas. Natural gas, we have uh, what seems to be a bearish flag, as I shared with you. Let me just draw the ball so everyone can see it. And then let's talk about this, what's happening right now. So here's the flag formation, as you can see, and now we ran up, touched the upper part exactly there, yeah, and then pulled back, and now we are here. Once we break out to the downside and have a weekly close to the downside, then this formation will be valid. We will start our way to the downside. Now this is a weekly chart, so it may take weeks to get to the downside target, but right now on the weekly we are bullish because the 20 EMA is above the 50 EMA, and right now we are above the 50 EMA. We came back down to the 50. Once we break below the 50 on the weekly and have a close below, then probably we will get to 6.46, which is the 50 EMA on the weekly. And because we are bullish, of course we have this uptrend here, but this is ups and downs all the way. And now, even though if we trust this formation, we would probably short, but it's like, we will have runs to the upside and then more runs to the downside. So let's go over to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart on natural gas, and on the daily we might even have a W pattern that I shared with you with a price target right there. This is a conservative price target 8.22. We came down to the neckline. We are right now sitting on the neckline. Can we break down below 7? If we close below 7, way below 7, then probably this is not a W pattern, and what I shared on the weekly, we will start our way to the downside. However, we have a low, we have a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and so 20-day EMA is coming back to touch the 50-day EMA. We can even cross it. That's a golden cross, a bullish sign even on the daily. Let's see what happens there. Now let's go over to oil. Let's see what we have here. With oil, my price target that I shared with you when it was 110, I said we will go down to 75, and exactly that's what happened. This is the weekly chart. We had this M formation. Out of this M formation, we had this price target at 75. We hit the price target. Of course, it took weeks to get there. I'm sorry, this is the daily chart right now. I'm talking about the daily chart. I was talking about the weekly chart. On the weekly, I shared in my previous videos. On the daily, we had this head and shoulder pattern with this price target which was hit, and we also had this M pattern that I was talking about. And out of this M pattern, my price target hasn't been hit yet. So as long as we are below 82.78, this price target down at around 72, I believe, is valid. Yeah, 72, around 72. Yeah, so we might come and touch the 20-day EMA at 82, and then turn around and continue our way to the downside. We will see, but I think it's for me. We have 3 green candles so far. This might be a bullish, might have a bullish message that we may continue this bull run. So let's see. But once we have a turnaround, then we might come back down to around 72. That's all for now. See you next time.